And now your weather with Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
Although the wind did make it feel colder out there, by January standards, it was a warm day across the Badger State. Temperatures running 10 to 15 degrees above normal. If you're a fan of warmth during January, I hope you enjoyed that, because that's it for the foreseeable future. Here's a look at the next 7 days. Much colder weather is going to move back into northeast Wisconsin. For the most part, over the next 7 days, highs will be in the single digits or teens. The exception is Saturday, when we'll see temps in the lower to mid 20s. Right now, most of us are in the lower to mid 30s. We've got 35 degrees in Oshkosh. It's 35 in Shawano. The temperature in Wapaka, however, is coming in at 37. That is the warm spot. In Green Bay, after lots of clouds, a little bit of sunshine, and some snow, you can see we still have a little bit of sunlight here on the western horizon. The temperature is 36 degrees, and there's that gusty southerly wind to around 25 miles per hour. In Appleton, the temperature is 34 degrees, and it is windy. And those winds are coming in out of the south ahead of a cold front. But later on tonight, those winds are going to come out of the north behind a cold front. And that cold front is going to drastically cool us down, as you just saw on your temperature trend as we head into tomorrow. Now, earlier today, ahead of the warm front, which moved through a few hours ago, we had a batch of light to moderate snow, mainly from Green Bay north. Here in Green Bay, accumulations around a dusting at best, but up near the UP border in northern Marinette County, we had about 3 to 4 inches of snow. That snow continues to work off to the north and east as the warm front also makes its way north and east. So we're in between a warm front and a cold front right now, and that cold front is going to bring some drastic changes as we head into Wednesday. You can see temperatures behind that front this afternoon running 15 to 35 degrees colder than what we saw today. We were in the mid-30s, but behind the front across North Dakota, back into Montana, temperatures were only in the single digits and teens. And that is the colder weather that's going to move in for tomorrow. I think most of us will probably be in the upper single digits to lower teens tomorrow morning. And then we'll see highs in the lower to mid-teens by the late morning, early afternoon. Clouds will mix with some sunshine, and where we have some clouds, we will have a few flurries as well. But it's also going to be windy, so the wind is going to make it feel much, much colder. Yeah, we had a wind chill today, but nothing compared to what we're going to see tomorrow morning. Wind chills in the single digits and teens below zero, and it looks like wind chills will stay below zero as we head throughout the day tomorrow. Now, tomorrow night into Thursday morning, we could have wind chills potentially in the 20s below zero. So tonight, look for gusty winds, maybe a flurry as that cold front moves through. Temperatures will start to drop after midnight. By tomorrow morning, upper single digits to lower teens. Tomorrow, look for clouds and sunshine and maybe a flurry. It's going to be windy and colder with afternoon temperatures in the lower to mid-teens. Now, my 3-degree guarantee for tomorrow is 30 because I go from midnight to midnight, and I'm thinking that high of 30 will be shortly after midnight on Wednesday. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to Bridge the Gap for Autism, and we did that today. I forecast 34. The actual high was 36. So the big story here the next 7 days is the cold weather. Most days will have sub-zero lows, and most days will have highs in the single digits or teens. A little bit of light snow Saturday before kickoff. Another chance for some light snow on Monday. John?
All the furnaces, the heaters, stay in overdrive.